try looking at all the subjects that were having mathematics in them. I used to excel in them. Actually, I think one of the things that motivated me at the initial stage of my high school was my sister. She actually had to tell me, Susan, you know what? With high school, once you read and you pay attention when the teacher is teaching, you will excel. Mathematics just flowed naturally, like it would just flow. But it wasn't actually flowing without effort and without passion. I have that passion and as well had to put in the effort, but it needs to excel. The low self-esteem and the negative attitude that they have to certain subjects. And to some extent, I can say even the teachers play a role, because I'm a teacher by profession and I have dealt with students. So like my sibling is studying from a different school. She was actually complaining about mathematics. She's like, mathematics is hard, it's very hard. But like she would express how the teacher renders, how the teacher conducts himself when teaching the subject to the students. So there are certain teachers who make it appear like the subject content is hard.